Yo, what's good with it? It's your boy Corn, back with another episode. Corn's Catch a Cook. This episode is gonna be a little different. Right now, I'm getting my U-Haul packed up all by myself and moving from Asheville, North Carolina, and moving my stuff down to Florida. I'm gonna be moving it to Daytona Beach for now, and then I'm gonna be start working in Key Largo. So this is going to be eventful next couple of days, moving everything, packing everything up, but it's going to be fun. I can't wait. I'm excited. I'm going to take you guys along for the journey, the whole ride, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Peace. So I think these come off. All right, flip it over on its side, and then we're going to try it like this. Probably should have moved a lot more stuff out of the way. Okay. Move those. It's all right. Should have twisted it around when I was down below, but that's all good. best way to change these or to clean them is you get rid of them.
corns, catch and cook. Yeah, we hook it, then we cook. Little fire, little look. Sing it back, corns, catch and cook. Hey. Corns, catch and cook. Yeah, we hook it, then we cook. Little fire, little look. Sing it back, corns, catch and cook. Hey. Camera on, we rollin'. Tackle box, yeah, we strollin'. From the dock to the pan, we book. All day watching corns, catch and cook. Camera on, we rollin'. Tackle box, yeah, we strollin'. From the dock to the pan, we book. All day watching corns, catch and cook. Corns, catch and cook. Yeah, we hook it, then we cook. Little fire, little look. Sing it back, corns, catch and cook. Hey, corns, catch and cook. Yeah, we hook it, then we cook. Little fire, little look. Sing it back, corns, catch and cook. Hey.